What is the function of a pronoun? Sometimes sentences get jumbled up with unnecessary common or proper nouns, so we need a special kind of noun to help clean them up. These are called pronouns. Pronouns are some of the most helpful tools in the English language. These short words take the place of nouns to simplify our sentences. Pronouns include words such as I, me, you, he, him, she, her, we, us, they, them, it, and others. Pronouns like these replace nouns after they have been used and don't need to be used again. Some pronouns replace proper nouns and some replace common nouns. Let's try swapping some nouns with pronouns to see how they work. When using a pronoun, the sentence, Amber, Josh, and I like ice cream, but Amber, Josh, and I prefer chocolate ice cream, becomes Amber, Josh, and I like ice cream, but we prefer chocolate ice cream. Because the names, which are proper nouns, have already been mentioned once in the sentence, we don't need to say them again. Let's look at the next sentence. We can change Maria, Alex, and Fred like ice cream, but Maria, Alex, and Fred prefer vanilla ice cream, to Maria, Alex, and Fred like ice cream, but they prefer vanilla ice cream. We have already said Maria, Alex, and Fred's names once in the sentence, so we don't need to repeat them another time. And finally, using a pronoun, the sentence Amber, Josh, Maria, Alex, Fred, and I all want to eat ice cream becomes everybody wants to eat ice cream. We have already mentioned everyone's names in the previous sentences, so it's unnecessary to repeat them all over again. See how much shorter and simpler our sentences become when we use pronouns? Instead of making long lists, we save time by replacing them with pronouns. Now that we know how pronouns can take the place of proper nouns in a sentence, let's check out how they can replace common nouns. Here's an example. Ben thought that he had lost his backpack, but then he found his backpack. Using a pronoun, the sentence becomes, Ben thought that he had lost his backpack, but then he found it. We have already mentioned the common noun backpack, so in the sentence, we can replace it with it the second time. Let's look at another one. Anna's favorite sports are basketball and soccer. She loves to play basketball and soccer. Using a pronoun, we can modify this too. Anna's favorite sports are basketball and soccer. She loves to play them. Because we have already mentioned the names of the sports in the first sentence, we can use the pronoun them in the second sentence. We just learned a lot about how pronouns can help to simplify our sentences. Let's review. Question 1. Which part of speech do pronouns replace in a sentence? A. Verbs. B. Nouns. C. Adjectives. D. Adverbs. If you said B, pronouns replace nouns in a sentence, you are correct. Question 2. Which word is the pronoun in the sentence, they decided to take a walk outside? A. Take. B. Outside. C. Walk. D. They. The correct answer is D. The word they is the pronoun. Let's do one more. Question 3. Which word is the pronoun in the sentence, Kara let me borrow a pencil for the test? A. Me. B. Kara. C. Pencil. D. Borrow. If you said A, the word me is the pronoun, you got it right. Great work.